Hello dear viewers and all people who watch this tutorial. Thank you for watching my channel and follow me. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for crocheting with me. Today I am crocheting such simple cute small cable pattern. It is stretchy pattern. This is front, and let's take a look at the back side. Pattern consists of 4 stitches. Here is my 4 stitches. And pattern has 2 rows. Here is my first row and this is the second one. Let's look at the first row in this swatch. The foundation chain has 24 stitches. I divide our work on 5 small pieces. I added 2 stitches on each sides for more beautiful look. This pattern made of front post and back post double crochet stitches. It can be made by beginner. Let's start the work. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 24 stitches. I have done the foundation chain. Let's begin the first row. It is going to be a row of double crochet stitches. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over the hook and insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make double crochet into the 5th chain stitch. Then double crochet into the each chain stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done a row of double crochet stitches. The first row is ready. Begin the second row, chain 2 to bring up the yarn. In the pattern it will be the first row. I skip the first stitch, the second stitch. Make front post double crochet around the 3rd stitch. Yarn over the hook and work with the stitch that was skipped and make front post double crochet. My small cable is ready. Continue. Make back post double crochet around the next stitch. Make back post double crochet around the next stitch. Make front post double crochet around the 2nd stitch. And front post double crochet around the stitch that were skipped. Two back post double crochet First one, two. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete the second row, or this is the first row of the main pattern. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain stitch, that is after the double crochet. Make half double crochet. Row 1 of the main pattern is ready. Begin the next row. It is going to be the second row of the main pattern. For this, chain 2 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook. Make back post double crochet. Make back post double crochet around the next stitch. 2 front post double crochet in a row. Two back post double crochet in a row. Two front post double crochet in a row. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. After I did 2 back post double crochet, to complete this row, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make half double crochet, chain 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work. Let's stop and look. I have got beautiful small cable pattern. I remind you, pattern has 2 rows. Then you should repeat the first and the second row. Let's repeat again the first row. Then you should continue by yourself. Yarn over the hook. Work with the front post double crochet around the second stitch. Then front post double crochet around the stitch that was skipped. 2 back post double crochet. Make 2 front post. Make the first one around the second stitch and the second one around the stitch that was skipped. 2 back post double crochet. And so on. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Now my swatch consists of 7 rows. And my example is done. I have got simple cable pattern. Let's take a look at the back side. Today you have learned how to crochet cable stitch pattern for beginners. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. For example, I made exact pattern using another size of hook. This pattern was used in the warm hat that you can find in tutorial 175. Here how it looks. In this case I did front post around the front post and back post around the back post. This pattern can be used for bag, scarves, or brim part of the hat. Please subscribe to my channel, write comment below the video, and crochet with me. Thanks for watching.